In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a template in Asana. If you're managing projects in Asana, templates are a great way to save time and keep your workflows consistent. Instead of rebuilding the same project structure over and over, you can simply use an existing template and spin up a new project in just a few clicks. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step so you can confidently copy and use a template for your own work. First, open your Asana workspace and head to the area where your projects are listed. Look for the project section on the left side of your screen. Beside the list of projects, you'll see a small plus or add icon. This is what you'll use to start creating something new. Go ahead and click on that plus sign next to the project area. This tells Asana you want to create a new project rather than editing an existing one. Once you click the plus sign, a small menu or window will appear with different options. From here, you'll want to choose the option to create a new project. Click on New Project. This moves you into the project creation flow, where Asana lets you decide whether to start from scratch or use a pre-made structure. Next, Asana will show you several choices for how to set up this new project. To copy a template, you will want to focus on the template section. Select the option that lets you browse or choose a template. You'll now see a gallery of templates, which may include Asana's built-in templates as well as any custom templates your team has created. Take a moment to find the template that best matches the type of project you want to copy, whether it's for tracking requests, managing campaigns, or organizing tasks. When you've found the template you want to use, click on it to open its preview. The preview usually shows you the structure of the project, including sections, sample tasks, and how everything is organized. This is a good time to quickly confirm that it fits your needs, since whatever you see here will form the basis of your new project. Finally, once you're happy with your choice, click on the button labeled Use Template. As soon as you click this, Asana will create a new project based on that template. From there, you can update the project name, adjust any details, assign tasks to your team, and start working right away, all built